Good afternoon, all watchers, and hello, all beloved kids. Welcome to meet me again. Today you meet me again, and I have a lesson about daily routine. Before I start presenting, go on activities, daily activities of daily routine, I take the time to introduce myself. As you have known me, my name is Panya. I am one of English teachers in CIA. CIA stands for Cambodia Intellectuals Academy. I don't have any other activities. It means that I don't have the warm-up activity or exercise for all of you. So let me start going into the lesson. Before the lesson, let me review the previous lesson that you learned with me. I just ask all of you very simple questions. What time do you get up every morning? And what time do you take a bath? What time do you have breakfast? And what time do you go to school? In the previous lesson, I gave you example sentences with the time expressions. But it is example sentences. They were example sentences. The time expression were only given to all of you. In exact time, relying on all of you. What time do you get up? It is your exact time for your daily routine. Now let me show you the picture. These pictures are the previous lesson. So you can see what time. This is the boy has just got up. And about you, what time do you get up in the morning? And this picture, after getting up, what will you do? You will go to take a shower or take a bath. And after taking shower or taking a bath, all of you will probably get dressed. After getting dressed, you will have breakfast. And what time did you have breakfast? I just ask you this question, but you can think of yourself and answer by your own self. And after breakfast, where will you go? You go to school. And what time do you go to school? Exact time for majority of students go to school. They go to school at 7 o'clock. The school across Cambodia, for primary school, the class normally start at 7 o'clock. So you have to go to school before 7 o'clock. So all the pictures are for the previous lesson. So today, let me introduce the daily routine or daily activity referring to in the afternoon time. So everyone, can you see the picture? The picture refers to lunch. And what time did you have lunch? I ask you a question. You can answer my question? Yeah, most of the kids have lunch at 12 o'clock, yeah, or 11 o'clock. Yeah. It is in the noontime. We have lunch in the noontime. And then move to the second picture. Yeah, what picture is it? After lunch, or all of you probably take a siesta or take a nap, and after take a nap you go to school. Yeah, like a student who study in CIA, some students go to study Khmer in the morning. In the afternoon they come to study. They have another class. They have the English class. They come to study English in CIA. And other students, they have the English class in the morning, so they come to CIA in the morning. And afternoon, after lunch, they go to study Khmer at the Khmer public school. Yeah. So in the afternoon they go to school. Yeah. And about you? I ask you, what time do you go to school in the afternoon? Another picture. Another picture, yeah. This picture refers to the daily routine or daily activity. Now, second picture, or picture number 2, you go to school in the afternoon, yeah. And after school, after finish the school, you go back to, your house. And what time do you have dinner? Yeah, this picture refers to the dinner time. And about you, or the kids, what time do you have dinner? Yeah, very good. The next picture, after dinner, what will you do? It is your habit. It is your daily activity. But the good daily activity, I just give a recommendation to all of you. After dinner, you have to what? You can see the picture, everyone. You have to study by yourself. Yeah, you have to have your personal study. It is most important. Yeah, by reading the book, reviewing lesson, doing exercise. Yeah, writing. Yeah, letters. You can see the picture? Yeah. And the last picture, after the personal study, after studying by yourself, what will you do? You will take a bath or take a shower. After take a shower, you will go to bed. But you have to go to bed early. You go to bed by 10 o'clock. Don't spend long time. Don't go to bed late. It means that you don't go to bed late. Yeah. And about you, what time do you go to bed? Yeah. You can see the picture? Yeah. The boy is sleeping, yeah, in the night, yeah. They go to bed, yeah. He goes to bed. And now we move back to the first picture. Regarding all of you, it's about all of you. What time do you have lunch? Can you answer my question? Very good. I just make a sentence with the time expression. Normally, we have lunch at 12 o'clock. So I don't use another pronouns. I just make all of you follow only subject pronouns I. And you learn how to make the sentence by using I yourself. Yeah? I have lunch at 12 o'clock. Yeah. And move to the picture number 2. I still ask you a question. What time do you go to school in the afternoon? Either you go to Khmer school or you go to English school. What time? Yeah. For the CIA school, classes normally start at 1:30. So, for a student who studies in CIA, you come to study English in CIA, you have to come before 1:30. So now I make a sentence for you. I go to school at 1 o'clock. It is just example sentence. Now move to picture number 3. Yeah? I still ask you a question. What time do you have dinner? About you. Maybe some kids answer the question, I have dinner at 5 o'clock. And other kids answer the question, I have dinner at 6 o'clock. And a few kids say that I have dinner at 6:30. Yeah, it is your time, your daily routine, yeah, or daily activity for your dinner time. So I will give you an example. I have dinner at 6 o'clock. Can you see? Yeah. I'm sorry because the board is not big enough. I have dinner at 6 o'clock. I move to the picture number 4. Now the question will be asked all of you. What time do you have personal study? What time do you study by yourself? Can you answer my question? Yeah, it doesn't matter. No problem. I will give you example. I will write example sentence. Yeah, I have, I study by myself. It is very easy. It is an easy sentence. I study myself at. Next, we make sentence number 4. Yeah. This picture, I told you already. It is the picture refers to personal study. Now I still ask you another question. And what time do you study by yourself? What time have you have self-study? What time do you have self-study? Very good. It doesn't matter. It depends on all of you. I just give all of you an example sentence. Right? I have self-study, or I do have self-study at 8:30. Yeah? I have self-study at 8:30. Now we move to the last number 5, picture number 5. Do you see? What is the boy doing? He's sleeping. So the picture refers to the time to go to bed, the time for sleeping. So I ask you the last question. What time do you go to bed? Very good. Yeah. It depends on you, yeah. But I just give my recommendation to all of you. You should go to bed by 10 o'clock, not longer than 10, yeah. So now, let me make a sentence for you. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Yeah. Do you see, everyone? Do you see the pictures and sentences given? So now I move back to number 1. And this time, all of you repeat after me. I read one sentence. You repeat after me. Understand? So now we go together. I have lunch at 12 o'clock. Your turn. I point. Very good. Sentence number 2. I go to school at 1 o'clock. It's your turn. Very good. Move to sentence number 3. I have dinner at 6 o'clock. After repetition, it's your turn. Very good. Move to sentence number 4. I read, all of you repeat after me. I have self-study at 8:30. Good. It's your turn. You read by yourself. Very good. And move to the last sentence. Sentence number 5. You are still, you still repeat after me, yeah. And then I ask all of you to practice reading by yourself. So now just repeat after me. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. It's your turn to practice reading. I point. Very good. So today, you pick up the 5 sentences regarding the daily routine in the afternoon and in the evening. So I strongly hope that all of you will practice writing and speaking at home, starting from the morning routine, till the evening routine. Thank you, everyone, for paying your attention and watching my lesson today. If you want to get more lesson, you go to visit our CIA channel. So see you later. Thank you.